Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we are going to discuss pump head calculation by using PipeFlow Expert software. So first of all, when you open the PipeFlow Expert, here you will get the user interface of that software. Okay, here you can see the different, if you want to add the tank, pipe, so different symbol is given, fitting symbols, control valve symbol, pump symbols. Okay, and in left side you will get the properties of that whatever you want. If you want to use the tank, so that tank properties, you can change the tank symbols, their property from here. Okay, if you want to change the units, here you can see by default we are working in metric. If you want to change it as an imperial, you can change it. So suppose I want to work in imperial unit, so I have just first of all, before starting the things, hit on imperial. Here they have given you the information that you are changing the unit to imperial. So pipe length you will get in feet, diameter will inches, everything. Hit on yes. Now see, the unit is changed as a imperial. You can see. Now first of all, here our main target is what? We have to do the pump head calculation. So first of all, I want to place in ground level, I want to place one tank, and one tank I will just place at some elevation, so that we need to supply the water from the ground level to that tank. So we need to place the pump. So for the pump selection, pump head is important. Okay, so first if you want to place the tank, here you can see the add tank option is given. Hit on that add tank where you want. I want to place here, just hit. Okay, now here you can see the tank name is given, tank symbol is shown. You don't want to, you want to change this symbol, you want some other symbol, just hit on that. See the different tank symbol is, you can change it, whatever you want to use you can. I want to use this one. Okay, select this tank. Suppose inside the tank you can see the liquid is showing and their color is blue. Suppose the liquid color you want to change as a any other color, so hit on this. I want to change the liquid color as a red, so I have selected red color. Okay, now see the liquid color is showing red. Hit on save icon. The tank is ready. So this tank is open to atmosphere, so pressure, just hit on a 0 psi. Liquid level inside the tank, how much? Suppose I have 20 feet. I have given elevation is 0. This tank is at 0 elevation. Okay, so in this way you have to place the tank. See, after doing this all, just hit on enter, press enter. Okay, so see it is showing. Now I want to place one more tank, suppose at some elevation, suppose here, select it. Okay, suppose here I want to use this symbol only, and pressure, it is open to atmosphere, so pressure is 0, liquid level inside the tank 10 feet, and elevation of this tank is 50 feet. Enter. Okay, again I want to place the tank here at some other elevation. This tank is at 50 elevation, 50 feet. Now here also this tank is open to atmosphere, so pressure is 0, liquid level inside the tank is 10 feet, elevation of tank is at 70 feet now. Okay, now our main target, we need to supply the water from this ground level tank to this tank and to this tank, and our total demand is, let's say, 200 gpm. Total demand is 200 gpm. 80 gpm we need to supply in this second tank, and remaining 120 gpm we need to supply in the third tank. Okay, now to come back from this command, you have to hit on select icon. Okay, now I want to draw the pipe, so here you will get the option of add pipes. Hit on this. From here we are going to draw the pipe. Okay, one horizontal pipe, draw it. Okay, now when you draw the pipe, now left click here, by default the pipe material is showing steel schedule 40, length of that pipe is showing 10 feet, diameter 4 inch, roughness. Okay, as per whatever material you are using, you will get the roughness value. So do you wish to change this value now? If you want to change the dimension, material of this pipe, you can hit on yes. Otherwise you can change later also. You can press no also. Okay, hit on no. So automatically by default whatever size they are showing, the length 1050, diameter 4 inch, and roughness as per material, it is option is given. Now suppose I want to change the length of this pipe as a 15 feet. Okay, so come here in left side, change it as a 15 feet. Same way, diameter of this pipe, I don't want 4 inch, I want some other 3 inch diameter. So here you will get the option of change diameter. Hit on that. By default it is 4 inch and see the material is steel. So I want to change the diameter as a 3 inch. Okay, I have selected 3 inch from here. Transfer selected size. Okay, now see the nominal size is showing 3 inch. Hit on save pipe. Here also now the value is 3 inch. Okay, same way now you want to change the material of pipe. By default it is a steel. You want to change any other types. Okay, hit on this material. Suppose it is steel schedule 40, you want to use this one aluminum schedule 40. So if you want to change new see, to choose new pipe material, you have to double click on the material list to select a new pipe material. Just double hit on that. Okay, after that whatever size you want, 3 inch, okay, select that, save. See, the internal diameter must be set. Okay, so just select, add it and then save it. See now here as per that material aluminum, here you can see the name is also written aluminum schedule 40 material name, as per that roughness value is showing. But I want to use the steel only. Okay, so okay, hit on material steel schedule 40. So from here just scroll down, where is steel, double hit on that, the material is added. Now you have to add the internal nominal size of that pipe, 3 inch. Select that, transfer selected size and save it. Now see here you will get the information. Total pipe length 15 feet, diameter 3 inch. Material we have selected now is steel schedule 40, as per that roughness coefficient value is showing. Okay, so okay, we have done. Now I want to draw one more pipe. Select the add pipe option. One vertical pipe here I have drawn. Okay, one more horizontal pipe. Select the node, connect it. Again from here select the node and draw the pipe and connect it. In this way we are going to draw the pipe like this. Okay, now hit on select icon. Now we have to change the pipe length and everything, because see this tank is at 50 feet. So this vertical pipe length we have to write 50 feet. Okay, diameter of this vertical pipe, let's say same 3 inch only I want. So 3 inch, select transfer selected size, save pipe icon. Now see, and material I want same schedule 40 steel schedule 40 only. Okay, now see here our total demand, as I told you, total demand is 200 GPM. 80 GPM we need to supply in this tank and 120 GPM we need to supply. So we know that diameter will reduce. When the flow will reduce, it means the diameter will also reduce. So select this pipe and okay, total length I want to take 10 feet only. Diameter now suppose for this pipe, branch pipe, 2 inch I have selected, save it. Okay, same way for this pipe, vertical pipe, suppose select it, total length, because this tank is at 70 feet, so this pipe size is 20 feet. Okay, diameter now I'm just using for this pipe is 2.5 inch, let's say. Okay, because flow rate is 120 na? Okay, select it, transfer selected size, add pipe. This pipe also select it, diameter change it as a 2.5 inch, where it is here. Hit on selected size, save pipe. Okay, after that here we have done the placement of pipe. Now we have to select the elevation. How? See, select this node, elevation. This pipe is at what elevation? 0 feet. Okay, so it is right. Now select this node. This pipe is at 50 feet. Okay, so elevation of joint, write down 50 feet. Enter. Now select this node and is at 70 feet. So elevation of joint, write down 70 feet. Enter. Getting? So this setting you have to do. After that I want to place the pump here. So for the placement of pump, what you have to do? Here you can see in the topmost part of this software, here you will get the option of add pumps. Okay, because our main target to find out the pump head for the proper selection of pump. So hit on pump. Now where you want to place? Here. Okay, just hit on. Now do you want to enter the pump data now? So you have to hit on yes, otherwise later also you can enter the pump data, but I want to enter the pump data now only, so hit on yes. See, you can change the pump icon from here. Pump is at 0 elevation icon. From here, hit on this icon, which type of pump icon you want, select it. You want to change the color, pump color, okay, that is also blue color, green, yellow color option is visible here. Okay, so I want to select the first one only, so hit on save icon. Okay, now in this model pump for, so I have told you our total demand is what, 200 GPM. So hit on set flow rate. Flow rate here 200 GPM. So I want to change the unit from here. Hit on this drop down list, US GPM. Write down the demand 200. Okay. So after doing this, see here we get one option, save pump to fit pipe, and you can add the pump to database also, import curve image, create pump sheet, every option is given. Hit on save pump to pipe. Okay, so it is saved. Now different types of fitting, all of you know that in pump suction and discharge line we have a different fitting. Normally in pump suction line we need to place one gate valve to control the flow rate, and one strainer to remove the debris, okay, unwanted particles. And in the pump discharge line, in this side we need to place one gate valve and one non-return valve or swing check valve to prevent the backflow. Okay, so this fitting I have to add, and 190-degree elbow also we need here. So to add the fitting, here you can see the option is given, add fitting. So you can select the fitting from add the fitting from here. Otherwise, see, first when you select the pipe now, then also here also you will get that option, add or edit fitting option. You can add it from here. Hit on that. Now which type of fitting? We know that our pipe size is 3 inch. Main pipe size is 3 inch. Okay, for 200 GPM demand. So I want to add one gate valve. Okay, so select that gate valve, add selected item onto pipe, and position at the starting of pipe I want na gate valve. So here always select, and the quantity also you can change it from here. Then one strainer. So here we have a 3-inch strainer, add it. Now at the discharge line, means at the end of pipe also I want one gate valve. Okay, so I have selected, and here you can change it as a end of pipe, and one swing check valve I want at the end. So write down end of pipe I want, and 190-degree standard elbow. So where is, see, I have selected standard bend elbow, add it at the end of pipe and save it. Okay, so here we have added the, you can see total K value is showing 4.01. okay, so now come to this pipe, vertical pipe. Here also you can see, if you are supplying water to this first tank, so here we need to place one T fitting. Okay, branch T fitting. So select this pipe and add one 3-inch branch T fitting. So where it is, you can search, here it is given, branch T fitting. Select that fitting, add selected item onto pipe. Where you want to add, at the end of pipe, and save it. Their K value is showing 1.08. Save it. See, the fitting is, T fitting is added. Okay, now same way here I want to, because here we need to place one standard elbow 90-degree. So okay, select that pipe. Pipe size is 2.5 inch, we know that. So I want to add this sub standard bend, add it where, at the end of the pipe. Their K value, save it. See, now the next thing, as I told you, our total demand is 200 GPM. Okay, we know that. And in the first, the tank which we have placed at 50 feet elevation, I want to supply 80 GPM water in this tank, and the remaining 120 GPM water I want to supply here in the third tank. So first, to control the flow rate, here we need to place one flow control valve na, because here in this tank only we need to supply, okay, from this pipe total to 200 gpm is coming, but only 80 gpm we need to supply in the second. So how we can control the flow? By placing the flow control valve. So if you want to place the flow control valve, here you can see the add control valve option is given. Hit on that. Where you want to add in this line, just select it. Give the name of control valve, FCV flow control valve, and I want to set the flow rate. As I told you, in this tank we need to supply 80 gpm. So first now change the unit, 80 gpm, US gpm, write down 80 gpm, then hit on OK. Now see, now remaining 120 gpm automatically it will transfer to this third tank. Okay, now I think overall we have placed the fitting and everything, valves. Okay, now finally I want the result. I want the pump head. Okay, so here you will get the option of calculate. Hit on that calculate. See now, the result is here. When you scroll down, the final result you can see here, where it is. Pipe 1 pump head added is 75.204 feet fluid. Okay, so this is our pump head value. In this way we have to calculate the pump head. Okay, lowest pressure at any node is 4 point something psi, highest pressure 38.5. okay, see the total friction loss in all pipe is showing here, total fitting loss in all pipe is showing, total component loss in all pipe, then total control valve losses it is showing flow. Okay, so in this way actually we need to find out the pump head. Okay, so now, okay, we have got. If you want to view the result drawing, hit on view result drawing, or you can create PDF report also. So hit on view result drawing. Here see, try to analyze this color of pipe is given here, their velocity range is given. Okay, see this red color pipe means what? Here when you take the cursor near to red color pipe, see the flow is given 0.4456 cubic feet per second. Okay, velocity is showing 8.6 feet per second. So here you can see the velocity range is given. The red color maximum velocity is showing 8 point. So you can analyze the velocity from this color. This green color is at between 7.6 to 7.9 velocity. So when you take the cursor, see the velocity, flow, diameter, length, and even everything it is given. Friction loss value, Reynolds number, flow type, fitting loss. Okay, everything, the value is given here. Same way for this yellow color, when you take it, see, you will get the information. Okay, sometime what happen, if you want to redesign again, some mistakes you have done, some mistake you have to redesign, so hit on redesign option is available. Okay, hit on redesign. Now you can do the changes, whatever changes you want, then finally hit on calculate, you will get the result. Okay, now if you want to create PDF report, okay, see, hit on create PDF. Here the PDF report generator is shown. Company name, PipeFlow software, project name, you can write down the project name, whatever, ABC. Okay, engineer reference, write down their detail. Now here see, many option is given. Page information, include page number, include result log summary, PDF page ratio, their orientation, you want to see in landscape, portrait, paper size, everything is given here. Choose pipe data, what you want to see, pipe ID, pipe name, inner diameter, length of that pipe. In this when you are creating the PDF report, in this report you want to see this thing. I want to see the friction losses also, check it. Any other things, whatever you want to see, you can check it from here. Then create PDF report, hit on that, wait for some time. Here The PDF report is ready now. You can see, just scroll down and see. Try to analyze this all whatever you have done. Okay, see the fluid data is given here, pump data is given. Okay, what type, which type of pump, set flow rate, everything detail is given. In the next column, pipe data is given. Okay, their velocity, pipe name, and notes inner diameter, length of that pipe, mass flow, volume flow, everything is given. When you come to next page, you have pipe fitting data, which type of fitting we have used, na? Their friction losses, everything is given here, K value. In the next page, the component, because we have not used any component, so that is why there is no detail. Okay, then we have used an flow control valve, so their detail is also given here. Okay, pressure reducing valve we have not used in, so that is why brake pressure, this all things, tank, whatever we are using, their detail is given here. Okay, energy data. So in this way you will get the result. Now you can just save it anywhere as per your requirement. Okay, so in this way we have to calculate the pump head by using PipeFlow Expert software. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next